Hello everyone, I am S. Fatima, wife of Sheikh Salim, BA final year student, Arts College Kadapa. I was married at 11 January 2016. On the wedding day, we know about his fraud, so I take separation with him on 21st September 2016. After 2 years, my own uncle Sheikh Babu, owner of Kadwa Bidi and Mohan Bidi Kamlapuram, and his wife Nusrat Begum came to us knowing my past. On 24th June 2019, I get married with Sheikh Salim, and now I have a daughter of 7 months with Salim. Sheikh Salim, my mother-in-law Hussain B, Babu, Nusrat Begum and Dr. Arshia harassed me a lot for 5 lakh rupees and extra dowry, and forcefully aborticide my first pregnancy with unknown medicines on August 2019. This is the unknown medicines. After then, 26 August 2019, this report is come irregular periods. The stepbrother-in-law Babu harassed me for misbehavior and calls for relationship. He always offered that he gives his half property and kept me as best as his wife. He blackmails me that I was divorcee. When I refused his offer, Babu went to Government Qazi Sayyid Sirajuddin Bukhari and received my personal first marriage and separation documents with a letter of fake dates. Babu scandalized me that I was a divorcee. On 14th October 2020 at Disha Women Police Station, when I had a counseling with my husband Sheikh Salim, but Babu always come there with his nephew Khalil and retired judge, a lawyer, and with his friends. Babu threatened me that you take 50 lakh rupees with me and take separation with Salim. If you not refuse my offer, I know how I disconnect you with Salim. I asked to all my brothers and sisters what I will do. Did I accept Babu's deal? So I request to Honorable CM Jagan Mohan Reddy Sir, Deputy CM Amjad Basha Sir, Kadapa District Collector Sir, District ESP Sir, Disha DSP Sir, CEO of Waqf Board, Inspector of Waqf Board, Minority Minister Sir, Human Rights District Commission, Women's and Children's Welfare Society to stand as against like this Government Qazi Sayyid Sirajuddin Bukhari and some other Qazis who damage hopeless and weakless women's life. So many kids and children living a orphanic life. They are suffering from hunger, shelter, health and educational problems. Please take strict and step on like this cheater and fraudulent Qazi. Please take immediate action on Babu. He is spoiling my and my daughter's life. I want my husband Salim and my daughter want her father. I promise with my God I never leave my husband Sheikh Salim. Thank you very much.